that's how you make popcorn. So the past week, nobody uploaded on this channel. I mainly didn't because I was kind of lazy, but it reminds me of how hard YouTube can be. I've been making YouTube videos fairly consistently for the past 5 years, and coming up with ideas of what to upload is quite hard. Like, the people who upload every day, that is hard. I mean, if you get so popular where you have people helping you, it's not quite as bad. But by yourself, ideas, filming, editing, within itself isn't that hard, but when you do it over years and years, then it becomes, I don't know. Anyway, this has been popcorn. It's really good. Thanks for watching.